In this live lab, you're going to learn how to enable trust but verify approach to database security by monitoring database activity with Oracle Unified Auditing. I'm Angelin and I'm Product Manager of Oracle Database Security. Unified Auditing is available in all Oracle database editions at no additional cost. Let's examine why auditing is a requirement and not a choice. It's a crucial ingredient of anomaly detection to find out suspicious database access patterns and shrink the detection time. Now, shrinking the detection time is quite crucial because it mitigates the potential risk involved, for instance, when someone is trying to exfiltrate the data. The second prominent use case where you need auditing is to demonstrate compliance to regulatory requirements, providing assurance to the regulatory bodies that data is used only in the intended and appropriate ways. The third prominent requirement of auditing is for forensic analysis, where audit trails contains a wealth of valuable information tracking who did what, when, where, how, and so on. Now that we know why we need auditing, the question that comes to everyone's mind is what to audit. There are three golden principles to audit policy configuration. The first is monitoring privileged user account activity, since privileged user accounts are most often the favorite targets for hackers as they have broad access to the system. The second principle is security relevant events auditing, comprising of auditing actions within the database that warrant greater scrutiny. For instance, data schema modification attempts. The third principle is sensitive data access auditing, since sensitive data is usually the crown jewels that hackers are after, and auditing their access serves as a primary deterrence to those who do not have a business reason to access them. Now, if you want to learn more about these golden principles and how you can configure and deploy the corresponding audit policies, refer to the video linked here. Now, in this live lab workshop, you will start with learning how you can know your current audit configurations, what are your policies, on whom it is enabled, audit management settings, and so on. Then you will build a simple audit policy to monitor who is using the application objects outside of a typical web application trusted path. And the trusted path represents the conditions that you would expect the application service account to access. For instance, from a known mid-tier host or a specific thin client or an OS user. Building these conditions into the audit configurations helps to focus on activities that really matters. You will also learn the other flexibilities that we offer for building audit policies, like auditing actions performed on objects, or auditing roles, or auditing use of system privileges, or auditing use of component like data pump. Enjoy trying these simple yet practical audit policy configurations in the live labs and reach out to us if you have any queries. Thank you.